be a good day out. Well, here we are, Caffeine and Machine, out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, I'm excited to see what's going on in here. This looks very, very cool. 4C's parked there. I'm going to show you guys around in a moment, but check this. Look what Brad bought. So Brad from Supercar Lifestyle has got the Audi R8 V10 Performance. The one that Joe had, Brad's got it now. And I should hopefully have this. Well, I will have this because it's booked in towards the end of the month. Easy. He's got prime. Oh, watch your trip. He's got prime spot here, man. I mean, how cool is this, guys? It's kind of like in the middle of, there's so many opportunities for amazing photos. And there is so much kind of parking around here as well. So if you've never been Caffeine in the Machine, get yourself down here. Now that looks nice. Look at that P1. So this is a really cool thing about Caffeine in the Machine. It's almost like it's a glorified pub, I guess, to an extent, but it's what it delivers. It allows car parking, loads of car parking, and the people that come here, of course, are all 992. We'll have a look at that in a moment. But it's wicked, man. That you've got this little kind of tent thing. Do like that. What's in here? Here comes the copyright strikes. Oh, that's cool. Remember when we drove this up near Newcastle? That is a serious bit of kit. Serious bit of kit. Here it is. Caffeine and Machine. First time here. Bit of a lineup here. Oh, F12, yes please. And look at this GT3. That looks nice in a kind of mint colour. And oh, Alfa 4C friend. That's nice. It's a nice launch edition. Does look great in red. Got the proper wheels. That's what we like to see. All right, so here we are. Oh, this is cool. This is very cool. Kind of rustic feel to it. Cheeky simulator there. I'm sure that'll be on later on. In fact, that looks like a lot of fun, that. And here's the kind of main bar area. That is very cool. You can see all kind of the memorabilia up on the wall. Look at that huge turbo house over there. Yeah, this is super cool. Now the place is starting to fill up a little bit, which is good. I mean, first time down here at Caffeine in the Machine, and I'm very impressed. Really, really cool. Such a great environment. I love the fact, I don't know if you see, you got all the little dogs over there. But yeah, really, really nice array of cars. And now this is something that I kind of want to quickly show you. So this is Warren's A45, the Patronus edition, limited edition. It looks so good. Obviously it's in the matte kind of grey with the Patronus livery on it. But yeah, no, I really like that. It's had some Motec magic done to it, Remus exhaust and all that good stuff. So yeah, this does look good. All the M2s, let me kind of zoom up here and show you some of the M2s. Look at the lineup. I think you got most of the colours here. Got, you know, two blues, sunset orange, Stefan's car, Paul's M140. This is a cool car. I don't think I've ever really shown you this on the channel. This is a very, very loud colour. In fact, the car is loud in general, but this is very cool. I do like it. I think if you are going to wrap a car, you probably should wrap it in a loud colour, and Paul's definitely done that. So yeah, good crew, great drive down, and so far so good. Got the boys, the R8 boys here, getting their photos in. You got Brad, loads of people, and I'm probably photobombing actually. I should probably move out of the way, and obviously I'll come back to my car. It's got a lot of attention today. I think it will have a lot of attention because there's not many of them about, although there was a red one parked over there. It's been replaced with S15 Silvia drift car, which looks very cool. But no, this thing here, I love it, man. Oh, it's Gina G. Where are your cakes? Hey, how are you? Good to see you.
I thought this was yours.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought it was. How are you?
Let's get you in the vlog. Gina,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
So for those who don't know, back in the days, about 2 years ago, I think, it was a mint car. Gina let me try one of the cakes that she made. Since then, things have evolved.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm good, I'm good. I've got my own cake business now.
Plug it, plug it, plug it.
The Cake Club UK, follow us on Instagram.
There you go, so if you need any kind of cakes and stuff, Gina's your girl. Anyway, let me have a conversation. Yeah, sorry about that. I haven't seen Gina for a while. The last time I saw her was about 1.5 years ago. But yeah, I mean, this place is just epic. And you know, I guess the video probably won't do it any justice. You guys are probably watching this going, oh yeah, it's just a car park really. But it's the concept. The concept is what makes it great. If you think about, you know, people who want to kind of all congregate in a place, have something to eat, but also kind of share their passion and love for cars, this is it. And oh, flipping out, look at that. What on earth is that? Is that Trans Am? That's just a beast. Look at that thing. Wow. Now look at the size of the wheels on this. That's insane. Modball. Car number 23, RS4. Very nice. The fact that this is one of those places that anybody can come to. You don't have to pay to get in, although they do recommend you pay for parking because it can get pretty busy. But there's just kind of like a huge kind of influx of cars, etc. And it's just constantly rotating. So it's like you're at a car show without actually being at a car show. And yeah, it is really busy at the moment. But overall, I'm a fan of this place. I'm not sure if I showed you this yet, but there's Dirk's Giulia Quadrifoglio. I'm going to attempt to climb up this. It's going to be interesting. Ooh. Oh. There you go. Here's Dirk's Giulia Quadrifoglio N-Ring Edition. This is just superb. Again, another car that's been attracting quite a lot of attention. Limited run, 1 of 108. Easy. Golf R making lots of noise. Yeah, 1 of 108 this thing. And it looks beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at this cheeky transition pan shot. Look, oh, yeah, Motec Mike.
Hello, hello, hello.
How are you? How are you?
I'm right, how are you?
Yeah, yeah, very well.
This is not what I come to see because you've got a camera, by the way.
I'm jealous. I want one.
Do you want to share?
No, I'm driving, so I can't, unfortunately. Is it Shandy? Oh, even better. Yeah. How's things? What's new? How's work?
Really good, really busy, very good, yes. What's new? Intake systems for the M140s, link pipes, more BMWs.
Yep.
Do a lot of AMGs.
I know, I was just saying this, you've got Warren's car here that was done. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, that one's done.
I was going to say, actually, how many of the cars that are here today have you guys played with? A lot, isn't it? As in from there's a load of them, isn't it?
A lot of them, yeah. Which is good.
Yeah.
But yeah, more and many more. But
yeah, yeah.
It's your first time here, do you like it?
I do, I think it's great. I think it's a really good, I was saying on in the video earlier on, I love the concept behind it. Just a place where everyone can kind of come, car enthusiasts. Ultimately, it's like a cafe and a pub, but it's great for parking, very spacious, and it's just a lovely environment.
Caffeine with machines.
I see what you did there. Do you think the people who made this place thought that?
No.
Well, if not, they're missing a trick.
So yeah, lots of things always on the go, but can we have to have a conversation about what we can do for yours?
Yeah. Can you? What can we do? No one's really played with those. Should we make it a Motec first? Should we see what's available for it?
Cut some springs, take the exhaust off, and things.
There you go. All the Alfa purists are going crazy in the comments now. But yeah, no, it'd be. I mean, I did think about the idea of let's walk and talk. I did think about the idea of potentially figuring out something with regards to the spaces. Yep. I think I'm just conscious whether or not it's already low. If I go lower, it might be undrivable. But it's an issue for me, Mike.
It's quite far tucked in. But like you said before, you don't want to upset the handling. So what we need to do is we'll have a conversation with IBAC, see if there's actually anything that's been done before.
Yeah.
You know, to see if there's anything else in the market. So you don't have to set your camber and geometry, so that's spot on. But I reckon something like even like an 8mm all the way around, something quite subtle. Yeah. Quite OEM, quite
just to push it out a little bit.
Just to give it a little bit more of a start, because it needs it.
Yeah.
Because this is stunning.
Yeah.
Looks like he's eating your own
flared arches, everything, and then they're nicely tucked in. You know, how I describe it. It's like, you've got like a really good-looking, very attractive Italian lady who then wears like a size 40 dress, so you just can't see the curves.
Oh, I think I'd say something else.
No, I was not. No, this is a family-friendly channel. But, but you know what I mean? They just feel a little bit tucked in. But exactly. You know what I mean. Yeah. But anyway, let's see what we can do, and I'm sure we'll figure something out. But yeah, thanks, buddy.
No worries, dude.
Oh, look at this. In fact, stuff the cars. Look at this bad boy. Hello. Hey. He looks like the Lion King. Yeah. Oh, it's amazing. Hello. What's going on? Oh, lovely dog. What's his name? Or her name?
Barney.
Barney. Hey, dude. Hey, oh, look at that. You are lovely, lovely. Awesome. What breed is it?
It's Chow Chow.
Chow Chow. Yeah. I need one of you. Epic. Love this. Is he sponsored? There you go. Let's get the plug in. There you go. 6 speed. Yeah, you know how to pose for the YouTube vids. That's it. Awesome. Lovely, lovely dog. Yeah, how sick was Barney the Chow? What a legend, what a dog. Looks like Simba from The Lion King. But guys, I think I'm going to call this video a day because, well, I mean, this is just incredible. I just wanted to kind of show you guys what to expect if you decided to come down here to Caffeine in the Machine. So with that said and done, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I've had an amazing time here. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And of course, I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.